What's up, guys? I just wanted to put out a quick video on the shop truck. In this video, we did the body work on the hood, fixed the dents, put some mud in it, and then sanded and primed as well. And as well as we got the final piece of the puzzle for the rest of the body work on the shop truck. As you can see, the boxes behind me, that is what we have left, with the exception of a couple pieces here and there, I'm sure. But the biggest piece behind me, stay tuned, you'll see that here in a second. Subscribe if you are new. Stay tuned. We got some good updates on the shop truck. As of now, this video being uploaded, I am currently editing one of the bigger steps that we have done for the shop truck, putting on the rocker panels, which has been, I don't want to say a nightmare, but a lot of work. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you're new. Helps out the channel a lot, and you guys have a great day. Dent in the box. Ripping the box when you're ordering good stuff. And it's half opened. I don't know if they've been sitting for a while or something, but they actually look very straight. Box sides, baby. There's a little scuffing here. It'll get sanded down anyway, so that'll disappear. It seems nowadays you cannot find anything for like a mid-size pickup truck. Found these on Summit. They're made by Sherman truck parts. Sherman Auto, something like that. They had them available, and I scooped them up while I found them, and they look like decent parts. I was worried about shipping, especially when you get a package like that, and the same thing on this. I think it was just used for handling the packages. I was a little eerie, but they look actually very good. And the best part is they have wheel wells, unlike the other box did. The box on the truck, the frame and the underside of it is in perfect condition. The only thing rotten on it was the bed sides. For a while there, I was looking for a bed. Unfortunately, I was not able to find anything that was in good condition or that wouldn't need an extreme amount of work within hours of where I'm at. So luckily I found these bed sides, and if I know what I have at this point, the bed on that was on the truck is staying on the truck. The only thing it needed was these bed sides. Next step is to get these things put on, and that's it for the bodywork. I have everything I need to complete the bodywork for this truck, and there might be a small thing here or there, but all the big pieces. I'm so excited. It is time to work. They look fantastic.